Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to style password-protected posts using Divi's Theme Builder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a customized password entry layout that provides a seamless experience for your visitors while keeping the protected content securely hidden until the correct password is entered. Let's dive in. To style your password-protected posts, we'll be using the Divi Password Box plugin. This plugin adds a helpful password box module to Divi, along with controls that let you show or hide specific theme builder sections, depending on whether the password has been entered. It ensures a smooth user experience by managing what visitors see before and after password entry. To get started, you'll need to install the Divi Password Box plugin. You can find a link to download it in the accompanying post. To get started, go to the WordPress admin area and either create a new post or edit the one you want to protect. For this example, we'll use a post called My Password Protected Post. Next, set the visibility of the post to Password Protected. You'll be prompted to enter a password. This is the password visitors will need to use to access the content. Once you've entered the password, save or update the post. It's important to note that the post itself doesn't need to contain the password form. We'll add the password form later as part of the Theme Builder template. Now let's create a Theme Builder template for your password-protected post. To begin, navigate to Divi, then select Theme Builder. From there, create a new template and assign it to the post you want to protect. In our example, this is My Password Protected Post. Once the template is set up, you'll need to add a custom body layout. This is where both the password form and the post content will be added. To add the password box section, start by opening the body layout in your Theme Builder template. Add a new regular section to the layout. Within this section, include the password box module. This module creates the password form that visitors will use to unlock the protected content. Once the module is added, you can customize its appearance using the built-in design settings to match the style of your website. This makes sure the password entry screen fits seamlessly with your overall design. Next, we need to ensure the password box appears before the correct password is entered. Start by opening the settings for the section containing the password box module. In the section Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab, then go to Visibility and select Password Protection. Set the password protection option to show before password entered. This setup allows the password box module to display while the post is still locked, replacing the default WordPress or Divi password form on the front end. Now let's add the post content section. Below the password box section in your Theme Builder template, create another regular section. Inside this second section, include the post content module. This module is what displays the content of your protected post, but only after the visitor has entered the correct password. Once you have added this, the next steps will ensure it functions as intended. To ensure the post content only appears after the correct password is entered, you'll need to adjust the visibility settings for the section containing the post content module. Open the settings for this section, then navigate to the Advanced tab. From there, go to Visibility and select Password Protection. Set the option to show after password entered. This setup keeps the protected content hidden while the password is still required. After the visitor enters the correct password, the password box section will disappear and the post content section will be displayed. Once you've completed your layout, make sure to save the body layout first. Then save the overall Theme Builder changes to apply everything. Before moving on, double-check that the template is still assigned to the correct post, especially if you're working with a template meant for a specific post rather than all posts. This ensures everything is set up correctly. Now it's time to view your password-protected post on the front end. Open the page in a browser, and you'll notice that before the password is entered, your styled password box module from the Theme Builder template appears. The default WordPress or Divi password form will not be visible, and the post content section will remain hidden. Once you enter the correct password, the password box section will disappear and the post content section will be revealed. This ensures a seamless experience for your visitors while keeping your content protected. In this video, we've shown how to use the Divi Password Box module within a Theme Builder template to create a reusable, styled password entry layout for your protected posts and pages. By placing the Password Box module in a section set to display before password entry, and the Post Content module in a section set to display after, you can completely replace the default password form. This approach ensures your password-protected content is both visually appealing and secure, remaining hidden until the correct password is entered.